driving a car can be a much better and easier experience if you have the right gadgets for it. That's why we compiled a list of 11 innovative car gadgets that will change your driving experience forever. And the best thing is that we included the price for each one, so you will be completely informed. With this awesome gadget, you will never be without a Wi-Fi connection, no matter where you drive. The Glocalm G4 Pro is designed with the modern traveler in mind. Its sleek, compact design fits easily in your pocket or bag, making it the perfect accessory for both business trips and vacations. Because who needs to actually experience the beauty and culture of a new location when you can just stay connected to your virtual world all the time, right? Anyway, what is really good about this gadget is that there is no need for a contract because no SIM card is required. It has global coverage in more than 140 countries. You can connect it to up to 10 devices, and it comes with 1.1 gigabytes of initial global data. However, you'll need about $170 to afford it. With its stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution, this mirror-com captures every detail of your journey, providing crystal clear footage in any lighting condition. The Wolfbox G840S features a 12-inch full touchscreen that not only displays a live feed from the front and rear cameras, but also functions as a rear-view mirror. The screen's adjustable brightness ensures optimal visibility during the day and night, while the wide-angle lenses cover a 170-degree field of view, capturing everything happening around your vehicle. What else I found useful is a built-in GPS module that records your driving route, speed, and location. In case of a collision, the G sensor automatically locks the current video, preserving crucial evidence. The price for this rear-view mirror-com was about $130 at the time of recording the video. This advanced, user-friendly device monitors your vehicle's tire pressure and temperature, ensuring optimal performance and reducing the risk of accidents caused by tire-related issues. With its real-time alerts and easy-to-read LCD display, the Tyre tire pressure monitoring system informs you about your tire's condition, allowing you to take action before a potential problem becomes a serious hazard. The great thing is that it has solar charging and USB-powered charging. In the first installation, switch on the monitor first, then insert the sensor, and after 5 to 10 minutes of driving, all data will be shown. Keep in mind that the sensor must be activated by motion. The price for this advanced device is around $76. The auto ventilation fan is a fantastic accessory for car owners who frequently park their vehicles under the sun. Utilizing solar power to keep its fans running, this gadget helps maintain a comfortable temperature inside your car, even during the hottest days of the year. But keep in mind that this is not a replacement for a full-fledged air conditioning system. Instead, its primary function is to circulate the air within your car, ensuring a consistent flow of fresh air. It can be easily installed in almost any car window, making it a convenient and accessible option for car owners. But it's always a good idea to check compatibility before making a purchase, particularly if your car features unique window specifications. At a price point of around $30, this gadget is an affordable and effective way to keep your car comfortable during hot weather. This trunk storage organizer boasts reinforced, rigid base plates to provide structural support for every side panel. It offers a multitude of side pockets and up to 3 compartments to help maintain a neat and tidy car interior. Additionally, this organizer comes equipped with interlocking buckles, enabling the connection of 2 or more car organizers. To further enhance its appeal, a microfiber towel is included. It is designed with multiple compartments and pockets, providing ample storage space for all your essentials. From groceries and sports equipment to emergency kits and tools, this organizer keeps everything in its place, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. And right now, it costs only $25. If you are a person who constantly loses the car key and spends a lot of time searching for it, then this is a must-have device for you. The Car Key Finder is a compact and user-friendly device that connects to your keychain and pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth. Using a dedicated app, you can easily track the location of your keys, making it simple to find them when they're misplaced. Not only does the car key finder help you locate your car keys, but it can also be used to find other valuable items, such as your wallet, purse, or even your phone. Its versatile design and easy-to-use app make it a valuable addition to your daily routine, providing peace of mind and convenience. It costs $25. A car seat gap filler is a must-have accessory for anyone who spends a lot of time in their car. It's designed to fill the gap between your car's center console and your seat, preventing small items like phones, keys, coins, and food from falling into the gap. The gap fillers come in different shapes and sizes to fit different cars. They are easy to install and remove when needed. Drinking and driving is never a good idea, but let's be real. Sometimes we may have a drink or two and want to make sure we're safe to drive. That's where this Keychain Breathalyzer comes in handy. It's a small and portable device that quickly and accurately measures your blood alcohol content before you get behind the wheel. It's easy to use. Just blow into the mouthpiece and get your results in seconds. You can take it with you anywhere you go and trust it to give you an honest reading. Whether you're out with friends, at a party, or just enjoying a drink at home, the breathalyzer is a fun and practical way to ensure you're being responsible and staying safe. So go ahead and enjoy a drink. Just make sure to check your BAC first. The price is about $70. The HOTOR Car Trash Can is a versatile car organizer that serves as both a storage solution and a waste receptacle. It's an excellent space saver for your car, as it can hold various items such as books, notepads, and important documents, as well as leftover snacks, drinks, and other waste produced during your drive. With its large capacity and opening design, this trash can provides easy access and allows you to store more than other small trash cans. As a garbage can, it's perfect for collecting leftovers such as crumbs, spills, and drinks, helping you maintain a tidy and clean environment throughout your drive. It's a multifunctional car gadget that not only helps keep your car organized, but also helps keep it clean and free of clutter, and it costs only $10. This is an innovative and easy-to-use parking guide designed to help you park your vehicle perfectly in your garage every time. The Park Right parking mat is easy to install and use. Simply place the mat on the ground in front of where you want to park your car, and then drive your car onto the mat until you feel the bump at the end. The bump acts as a stopping point, letting you know that your car is parked in the right spot. The mat also has a reflective strip, making it easy to see in low-light conditions. There is also a laser version for parking aid, but I just find this one to be more reliable and easier to use. It cost about $35 for a 2-pack. The AstroAI Tyre Inflator is a tool that everyone needs if they want to keep their tires in good shape. This tire inflator can help you if you take a lot of road trips or just want to make sure your daily drive is as safe and comfy as possible. Because it is small and easy to carry, you can take it with you wherever you go. So no more flat tires because you won't be caught off guard. The inflator is also very easy to use. It has a clear digital display and a simple interface that make it easy to set the tire pressure you want. With its strong motor, it can quickly and effectively fill your tires. The price is good too. It costs only about $20. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos of various tech and gadget reviews. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.